Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Friday, the 4th of May 2018. So yesterday, two losing trades. The first one was the news when we saw the release of the services PMI. This came out at 9:30, and you'll see here that it came out lower than forecast. Not a great deal. And it was actually higher than the previous, but it was enough to give the forex traders the opportunity to move the market to the downside. You can see how it recovered in the first bar, and then the selling came in. We had some buying pressure, got a bit of a recovery, and then once this news had been digested, it was to the downside for the remainder of the trading session, and it's just been sideways since. You can see that it's just stuck in a range. So a very quiet day for the pound yesterday. Also, obviously sticking with the 135.59, you can see how the market came down, went just below it, and is now sitting on this area as well. So a lot of volume as well. Looks like some sort of buying pressure there for the day also. So we could see a bit of a bounce here before we see a resumption to the downside there. In the Dow, 500-point swing yesterday. We started off with some selling, and you can see the buying coming in, a bit more selling, and then eventually the buyers win, but only until we get a close below the moving average here, and also the support 1 area, which is this green line that's running across here. And once the market closed below this, you can see we headed south before the market put in a classic 76% retracement down at the bottom, and then made our way all the way back to the 500-point swing from down here to here. I think it was 480 points as the market rallied back. I don't know the reason why. I don't really need to know the reason why. But that's what it did during yesterday. So after trading down to the minor psychological level of 23,550, the market put in a huge rally there. Two losing signals yesterday before the market then put in this big one here. In the Dow daily, you can see huge volume for yesterday as well. Well, I won't say huge, above average volume. Again, down to the 76% tested. Market bounces off this, also back above the 62, and heading back towards this 76%, and of course this trend line as well, which needs to be slightly adjusted because it should be sitting on there. So this will give a bit of resistance, and if it drives through, then it will meet up with these two areas of resistance as well. So let's see what happens. In fact, I'm going to redraw this 76% because I can see here that, and I'm just going to, I only want the 76 in here, so let me just go to Fibs and just remove the 62 for this exercise. So the first 76% retracement is going to be here, and all I'm doing is just rolling the Fibs back to the highs. This one won't be much different, but this is the main 76% retracement that you want to look out for, 24,267. If the market moves higher, let me just save that. So that's what you're looking for there. It's got to get through this one first, 24,031, also that 24,000 psychological level. So that's why this one's important here. And the 62% would be around the 24,000 there as well. News today, what have we got? It's non-farm payroll figures today. So that's going to be interesting. The market moving sharply higher yesterday. It is forecast that we're going to see 190,000, 103 before. If we get that, then we are definitely going to drive to the upside there. And we've got a whole host of FOMC members, minor ones speaking, and also we've got Bubba in the European Union speaking at 2 p.m. as well. But again, they're all minor actors as far as the markets are concerned. Finally, in Bitcoin, another day to the upside. Watch for the 10,000 level. That's where the fun will start as far as this recent move is concerned. The market broke through the 76%, heading for the 9,900. Had a bit of a wobble on the overnight. If you have a look there, you can see somebody came in and hit the market, and then somebody came and bought it back. Now we just need to close above these areas and drive through these pivots in order to move higher there. But watch for this 76% if we do manage to break 10,000, but 10,000 is going to be a serious psychological level for this market. Right, that will do it for this one. The markets are closed on Monday, both here and in the US, so I will catch up with you on Tuesday. The electronic markets will be trading, and also Bitcoin will be trading, but I'm going to have the weekend off, take advantage of the unusually sunny weather that's been forecast, if it comes to fruition, of course. Okay, that's it for this one. Enjoy the bank holiday, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.